Now what we're going to do under sigma notation here, we're going to actually figure out what these things are equal to here. So if you've seen this before, this might just be a refresher. If you've never seen this before, you'll catch on pretty easy. We have, let me get a neutral color here. How about black? Okay. So the first one that we had, I believe I wrote, it was the sigma, and we had I was equal to 1 and 5, and then I out here. Now real quick on the notation. Alright, this is the index down here of the summation. We call this the index. 1 is the lower bound right here, and then the upper bound is going to be 5. Alright, so these are the lower bounds and upper bounds of the summation, and this is the index. And this right here is basically, you'd write a sub I, but we're just writing it. This is going to be the I here. If I had a sub I here, this would be the is the ith term of the summation. But anyway, all right. Well, let's figure out what this is equal to. So what you're doing here is 1. You're going to plug 1 in for I, and then plus, because this is summation. And then we're going to go to the next one is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and 5 plus. So instead of writing all of this, we would just do it, we would write it like this, and this would be kind of like the shorthand notation for writing this sequence out. Now we're starting at 1 and we're going to 5, as you can see up here. So that's pretty simple. Now that said, there's actually a formula. There's a formula for this particular one, so we don't have to sit here and go, let's see, 5 plus 4 is 9, right, plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. The formula that we're going to use is I goes to 1 to n, and of course this is our I right here, just like I've got written, except we're going to go to n, so just going out generally. But it's n times n plus 1. You want to make sure you definitely write this one down, over 2. Alright, so in other words, up here you would just take the 5 and plug it in, and 5 plus 1 over 2, and we have 6. 6 times 5 is 30, over 2 is 15. So this sums to 15. Well, let's check this out actually. So this is going to be 9. Let's see, that's 5 and 1, so that's 14, 15. Yeah, it works out. At least it works out for this one anyway. But I'll tell you, it works out for any n. All right. So you want to definitely write that down. In fact, this actually becomes, that's actually handy to know, and all kinds of things going on in life. So write that down anyway. Get it tattooed on your arm or something. Whatever you want to do, I guess. Okay, let's look at another one here. If I had the summation, okay, that's not a very good summation, but hopefully you get the idea. This is going to 4 here, and we have I squared minus 1. Actually, I'm going to write the equal sign down here. So we just plug 0 in, 0 squared minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and keep the parentheses here. Then plus, we go to the next one, 1 squared minus 1 plus 2 squared minus 1 plus 3 squared minus 1, and then of course we're going all the way to 4 now, so 4 squared minus 1. Alright, and so we get, let's see, that's going to be a negative 1, that's 0, that's 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, that's 9, 9 minus 1 is 8, and that's 16 minus 1